Hi, Spruha. Like,
Hi.
have you completed the assignment?
Yeah, let me just check.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just mail it to me, right? Okay.
Okay.
10 of the first 50 cases found positive for the COVID-19 virus in India. 10 of them did not have a travel history but came in contact with someone who had traveled abroad. Only one patient so far has been
Are you
found not to
hearing
have
the
come in
news
contact with anyone
these
who had
days?
traveled abroad.
Like, this
In total,
corona,
23 cases
it's
have
like
been routed through
very
Italy,
serious.
4
Yeah,
through Iran,
you
3 cases
actually
China,
like there are
7 through the
many
US and
cases
Dubai
now.
combined, and 1 each through Thailand and Oman.
Okay. I just mailed you. Just check your mail
Yeah,
and
yeah.
let's meet at
Checking 1
cafe
second.
in 10.
Yeah, I received it. Okay. So let's meet at the cafe at 10. Is it fine with you?
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
works.
Yeah, then go, come back soon. Ma, I want my mask and my sanitizer.
Hey, why do you need those things?
Yeah, we are going out. Just now you heard the news, right?
But it's not that serious, no?
It is, man. You also wear your mask. Otherwise, I'm not going to meet you today.
Okay. I'll wear. Yeah, don't worry.
Okay. Chalo, let's meet at the cafe. Bye.
Okay, bye.
I guess I should call my doctor now. Hi, doctor.
Good morning, Vinu.
Good morning. Actually, I'm afraid I have corona.
Yeah. Look, it's not possible because only few people in our country have corona so far. So I think it must be a simply normal cough and cold in this season.
But still, I think I have corona. Seriously, I'm actually sneezing from like almost. I went out to the cafe and came. So can I get a test or something?
Look, listen, Vinu. Have you traveled to any foreign country? I don't think you have traveled. So don't worry, just take few precautions.
Yeah.
And
Wait a
I
minute.
think,
I'll just note it down. Let me get my.
okay. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Fine. Tell me.
Yeah. So first and foremost thing is that whenever you are interacting with the people outside of the home, you have to wear the mask
Yeah.
appropriately, in right manner. Second thing is whenever you are coming back from outside, your clothes, your any material which you are bringing from outside need to be sanitized before any further use or further touch. That's second thing. Third thing, which is most important, is as soon as you come back from outside, wash your hand properly.
Okay.
Okay. And fourth thing is important. Whenever you are outside, maintain a distance for about 2 meters. That's a 6 feet.
Okay.
So these are the important thing in this difficult time of Corona. So
So,
please take care
doctor,
of this.
uh, actually, I am already maintaining social distance, and also I'm wearing mask whenever I go out. So, is this enough, or do I need more precautions? And I guess I also need a medicine if possible because I am sneezing, right? So, can you suggest me something else?
Yeah, good. You are having a good practice. What you can do is, in addition to this, you can boost your immunity and also keep your diet balance. So I suggest you take a good home cooked food to eat, have a relaxed and 8 hour of good sleep, and also take some kind of physical activity within the home. Try to stay as much as possible within the home.
Yeah.
No need to go out unnecessary. So these are the things, if you do it, I think it will be very good.
Okay, doctor.
Nothing else need to be done more than this.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hey, Spruha, I submitted the assignment just now.
Okay, cool. Hey, why are you wearing a mask in the video call?
Arre, better you also wear it. I actually talked with my doctor after coming home. He told me to wear a mask whenever I'm interacting with people.
I think you're taking it a bit too seriously. I mean, a little precaution is enough, you know.
Arre, no yaar, it is serious. Wait a minute. Yeah, tell me.
What did you do? What did you do?
Actually close my window because corona can even transfer through air, na?
Are you insane?
No, man. You have to also be more careful about this. This is a serious issue, okay?
Okay.
Wear mask. Don't go outside. Stay safe.
All right.
Ma, on the TV.
For the past few days, India has been finally learning to live with the virus, and that's why Unlock 1.0 is going to be effective from June 8th. With malls, restaurants, and religious places reopening, India is uneasily but surely coming back to life. But in the
I'm fed up with this mask, sanitizer, and all these precautions. I am just throwing these away. Better I stay normal from now on. Are, it's been a long time. Shall we go for shopping?
Shopping as in online shopping, right?
Nah, all the malls are open. Did you see the news?
So what malls are open? I mean, you were so paranoid earlier. What happened now?
No, yeah, I'm done with all the precautions and stuff. And even the news is saying, na, everything is chill right now.
What are you eating?
Yeah, that one, I bought it from the store. I went with my neighbor.
What you mean? You should have home delivered, no?
Arey, no, it's nearby only, like just 4 kilometers away.
All right. So now it's okay because you take precautions, right?
No, what precautions? All that is long ago. No, now I don't even take precautions as such. Because I know I'm at a low risk and I'm not going to be affected by this corona.
I don't know what to say to you.
Okay. So, yeah. Doctor, my neighbor is tested corona positive.
Oh, it's okay, but don't worry. Anyone who takes proper precautions like you will be safe. I think you have taken all precautions.